Don't slide the bowl back. Yeah, there you go. She says, "Really? Did you really just do that?" I'm hungry. Isabella, grab her and pull her back a little bit. Just don't slide. There you go. There you go. Pull her back all the way. And just be careful with her elbows on the floor. You don't want to hurt her.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's too far away now. Is it too far away? You can do it. She says they keep teasing me. No.